Hello everyone, welcome back to Option. So in this today's video, we are diving into an amazing opportunity at PhonePe, which is one of the India's leading digital payment companies. So if you are a data enthusiast with a knack of storytelling, analytics, and also customer experience, this role is perfect for you. Let's break it down. What are the role is all about, and what is eligibility criteria? Who can apply for this, and what are all the data responses are there? All the things are discussed in this video. So watch this video till end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. Let's talk about PhonePe. So PhonePe, it is a powerhouse in the digital payments with over 500 millions of registered users and the 37 millions of merchants. Spanning of 99% of India's postal codes beyond payments, PhonePe is revolutionizing the financial services, hyperlocal shopping, and also app stores. So, if you are looking to join a company making a wave in the tech, innovation, and also customer engagement, PhonePe is a place for you. Now, let's talk about the role that is what the PhonePe is offering. This is a position that is MIS analyst based in a vibrant cities like Bangalore. As a MIS analyst specialization in the customer experience, your role is pivotal in the amazing the customers data, uncovering the insights, and also transforming them into actionable strategies to enhance the satisfaction as well as loyalty. Now let's talk about the day-to-day responsibilities. Like first of all, you will be having a data analysis, that is deep dive into a large data set to find the patterns and as well as trends. Storytelling with the data, that is turn the number of data into a narratives that inspire the actions also, and visualization and reporting, that is build your dashboards and also reports using the tools like Tableau or Power BI. Collaboration, like partner with the team across the marketing, product, and also customer services to drive improvements also. Predictive modeling, like using the analytics to forecast the customer behaviors, performance metrics, monitor the KPIs to track the progress and to suggest the adjustments also. Now, qualifications that are required to apply: a bachelor degree in the data science, statistics, or related field, experience with the tools like SQL, Python, or R, and also proficient in the data visualization with a Tableau or also Power BI. And also a strong communication and the storytelling skills are also required in this role, and a passion for working collaboratively in the dynamic environment. Now, let's talk about the perks of joining a PhonePe. PhonePe ensures its employee through with incredible benefits like comprehensive insurance, medical, life, and as well as critical illness coverage also, parental support, maternity and paternity benefits, and also adoption assistance also there in this PhonePe. So wellness program, relocation benefits, retirement plans, and also more. And for the top performers, PhonePe is all about recognition and as well as rewards. Now let's talk about why this role. This is a more than a job, it's a chance to shape the customer's experience for the millions, and you can grow your expertise in analytics and also work at the forefront of innovation. So, plus with a PhonePe collaborative culture and the growth mindset, you will get a unparalleled exposure also. So, what are you waiting for? If you are interested to apply for this role, simple. The link in the description box. When you click on that link, you will get redirected to this page, and you can simply press on apply now button and you can apply for this role. That's all about today's video. If you found this video helpful, so make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends so that they can get benefit from them. And also don't forget to comment below that your thoughts or questions about this role. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your application.